this? Who's it that sees patterns into form? Who's it that sees patterns into form? There is no one focusing, it is just this. Relax, focus, relax, focus, attention attending, perception perceiving, relax, deep breath. Love unfolding endlessly. There is no place where it ends. There is no place where it begins. Just this perfect unfolding. Love unfolding endless. This side already here, just appearing, complete, here to tea, immediate, thought all appearing as this. Stay right there. That is direct like there. Small day there. That is direct there. Who is it that sees? Endlessly, endlessly, patterns into